Namaste to all. So today in this class we shall discuss about Poisson's ratio and elastic potential energy and what are the effects that affect the property of elasticity. So we know, Poisson's ratio, it is given by the formula lateral strain to the longitudinal strain. So we shall say, what do you mean by lateral strain? So lateral strain is represented by delta D divided by D. So delta D means change in diameter to the original diameter, and longitudinal strain, the meaning of this is change in length to the original length. So that is given by the formula delta L divided by L. So the negative symbol that represents. So let us consider this is the rod. Initially it is having certain diameter D and original length L. So when we apply stress, so it is going to, length is going to elongate or increase in length takes place. So diameter is going to decrease. Therefore, change in diameter is taken by taking the difference of original diameter minus of change in diameter. So diameter is going to decrease as the length increases. So diameter is going to decrease. So that is given by the formula delta D divided by D to the change in length to the original length. So Poisson's ratio is given by the formula sigma is equal to lateral strain to the longitudinal strain. So next we shall move to elastic potential energy. So elastic potential energy. So let us consider the wire. So here when we apply stress to the wire, it is going to elongate. Then we say that work is done on the wire. So elastic potential energy is always represented by the symbol U, and it is given by the formula half stress into strain into volume of the wire. So half is constant value. Stress means that is restoring force per unit area, that is given by the formula force by area. Strain is nothing but change in configuration to the original configuration, that is represented by delta L divided by L. And volume of the wire is represented by area into length of the wire. So in this formula, this area same factor get cancelled with each other, and length same factor they get cancelled with each other. So after remaining, so elastic potential energy is given by the formula half force is remaining and delta L is remaining, and elastic potential energy is given by the formula half force into change in length. And next, always the Poisson's ratio, the practical value, it lies between 0.2 to 0.4. And next we shall see what are the factors on which affect the property of elasticity. So the factor that affect the property of elasticity is, so one of the factor is temperature that affect the property of elasticity, and then annealing, the meaning of annealing. So that is one of the factor that affect the property of the elasticity, because annealing means so heating and cooling process. So if you consider any material, so if you go on continuously heating and cooling, if you are making like that, the strength of the material is going to vanish or decrease. So temperature is one of the factors that affect the property of elasticity, and annealing that affect the property of the elasticity, and third factor, so that is effect of hardening and rolling. So consider any object, so if you continuously hardening and rolling, so here as we use more and more, so as hardening and rolling also that affect the property of the elasticity. So total three factors that affect the property of elasticity are temperature factor, annealing, and another factor that is hardening and rolling. So these are some of the properties that affect the property of elasticity.